Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar DAX. DAX is a great artist here. We had him recently here on this channel, and this time we have a song called Life. So it's a 4-chord song. We can play with a picking pattern, very easy, but also with a simple strumming pattern. Let's go. So we had a capo set on the 6th position. We don't have to, we can use different chords here, but this is the best setup and scenario for it because we want easy chords, but also the high notes needed for this song. So that's the reason. So if you haven't a capo, it's a good investment. So $10 or so, and you have what you need to play this song with the guitar, but also many others. So DAX Life, let's take a look at this one. The chords A minor, F, C, and G. So starting with A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord is the F. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd fret A string, 3rd fret D string, and 2nd fret G string. We have the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then for the last chord, that is the G. Here I suggest that you just hold the 3rd fret on the E string. You could add also the 2nd fret A string if you wish. I don't, I just place it on this 3rd fret E string, and the next A string there I mute it with that finger. Why? Because we want all the other strings down there open, and we try to avoid the last E string here. Okay, so we stop at the B string. That's what we are aiming for. So not your typical guitar G chord there, but anyway, for this song you need to adjust some things sometimes. So for this song it fits with this only note there, 3rd fret E string. All right, so A minor, F, C, and G. We're gonna look at the picking first. That is the basic for the song. So starting with A minor, you go like this. Okay, so that is open A, 2nd D, 1st B, and then a clap immediately after the 1st B note there, B string. So this, and then it shifts to the F, and I can just mention what I do. I usually hold the chord as it is. For A minor, I do. For F, perhaps not. It's too much to hold the full chord there. You could if you wish, if you want to, but yeah, it's up to you. Anyway, the notes will be like this. So 1st fret on E string, 3rd on A, and then 2nd G, and then a clap. Doesn't come right after like in the A minor, but very soon after. So the A minor is okay, so almost in the same time as the note, and then on F a little bit after. Okay, so then you're gonna shift to C. You're gonna play this part. So that is 3rd fret on A, open G, and then 1st B together with open E, and then the clap right after. If you think it's too hard, it goes too fast, perhaps to play both of these notes together, then play just the open E string. That's where the melody, so to speak, goes. The 1st B string there is just supported. So if you cannot play both of them, aim for the open E string and then the clap. And then comes the G string here. So it goes like this. And then just a clap. So that is 3rd frets on E string together with open D, open G, and open B. So all these 4 strings together if you can. If you cannot play them all, then aim for the 3rd fret on E string together with open B. Just like this. And then a clap afterwards. So there you have the melody. Okay. And that's pretty much what you have to learn. But you can also play this with a strumming pattern. It sounds cool also. So now we're gonna go back to the A minor. And now, of course, you need to hold the full chords as they are. A minor, F, C, and G. Now for A minor, you're gonna play down, down, up, clap. Okay, so that's it. And then you shift to F and play down, 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 clap. Okay, and then you go to C and play in the same way as A minor, down, down, up, clap. And then G, 1 down and a clap. So A minor, down, down, up, clap, F, down, 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 clap, C, down, down, up, clap, G, down, clap. Alright guys, I took off a little bit there out of my box, but anyway, then I flew back into it again and played just strict as I teach you, and this is actually how the song goes, this strict version of it, even if you sometimes can, spice it up a little bit. Anyway, this is DAX song called Life, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe to this channel and support me here. Leave a comment or thumb up this one if you did in fact enjoy this. And until next time guys, like always, you know it's play tuned.